You are welcome to New Focus Approach Mathematics Basic 7 Revised Edition. And in this video, we want to look at finding the percentage of a quantity as a rate per 100. Find the percentage of quantity as a rate per 100. This lesson can be found in page 168. This is a series, okay? And in the first instance, we are going to look at application of finding percentage of quantity as a rate per 100. And the first one is going to be on commission. So we'll be looking at commission, we'll be looking at discount, we'll be looking at simple interest or simple interest. So let's start with commission. What is commission? Commission is a percentage of a sale given to a sale person or an agent as a form of an income. Let's say, for example, I write a book and I tell you that take my books to schools to go and sell. If you sell one book, I'll give you a commission of 20 cedis. So if you go and you sell 20 books, your commission will be 20 times 20 cedis, and that will give you 400 cedis, right? Good. In some cases too, I'll tell you that if you sell one book, I'll give you 5% of the money as a commission. In that case, let's say you have sold 50 cedis, and because I said I'm going to give you 5%, we are going to calculate 5% of the 50 cedis, and that becomes your interest or your commission. And commission normally is calculated in percentage, which we call commission rate. Okay, so commission is usually percent of selling price. So assuming that, like I said, you sold at 50 and I'm giving you 5%, then I'm going to do 5 over 100 times 50 cedis that you've sold. And per calculation, I'll realize that I have to give you 5 over 2. So 5 divided by 2, which is the same as 2.5. So I'll give you 250 pesos. That is, if you sell 50 cedis, I'll give you 250 pesos. So that is commission. Now, so we are going to take series of questions and see how we can apply this concept to solve question. A bread seller is given 1 cedi for every 10 worth of bread sold. So that means if he sells 10 bread, the owner will give him 1 cedi. If he sells 20 worth of bread, he'll receive 2 cedis in that order. We want to calculate the commission she received after making a total of 450 sales. And we also want to find out what will be the commission rate, okay, in terms of percentage. Now, if for every bread sold, the person is going to receive 1 cedi for selling 10, and she has sold 450. So we are going to have 450 divided by 10, which will give us 45. If we multiply this 45, this is the number of, okay, this 45 will be multiplied by 1 cedi. Okay, so by 1 cedi, and that will give us 45 Ghana cedis, right? $45 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is what we have. That means that his commission received will be 45 Ghana cedis, right? Now, if you want to know the rate or the commission in percentage, then this 45 cedis divided by total amount sold times 100 will give us in percentage. So we can do a simple calculation here. 45 will divide itself here and divide here 1. So we have 10%. That means this person was given the commission rate of 10% for working in this bread selling business. The next question here says that a sale agent of a warehouse received 5.5 on all sales made in addition to his basic salary of 1,500 every month. So in the month of December 2020, he made total sale of 8,500. So what will be the commission for December 2020? Okay, so here they've told him that every house he sells, he's going to receive 5.5% on the total amount. Okay, it says a sale agent of a warehouse receive 5%, 5.5% on all sales made. Okay, so if he has made a sale of 8,500. Let's calculate the commission that is going to earn on this amount. And that is going to give us 11 divided by 2%. Okay. And percent simply means divided by 100. Okay. Then times our 8,500. So we can do a simple calculation here. That's 11 over 2 times 100 divided by 100 will be 11 divided by 200 times 8,500. When I do simple cancellation here, I'm going to have 11 times 85 divided by 2. So if you do a simple calculation by dividing, multiply and dividing, you have 467.5. So this is the commission that he made in the month of December. Now we want to find out the total gross income in the month of December. This commission he made for selling this amount or for making this amount plus his outstanding salary. So his outstanding salary is 1,500 plus making a profit of 467.5 will give us the total amount he made in the end of December 2020. So when we add this one to, if we add the 467.5, okay, plus 1,500, our answer will be equal to 1,967.5 Ghana cedis. That means 1,967 Ghana cedis, 50 pesos will be the total amount you will receive as a gross income, right? Let's solve the last example under this. A sale girl received an amount of 10,350 Ghana cedis, representing 15% commission on sales made in a month. Find the total sales she made for the month. Okay, now for us to know the commission, we will do 15 divided by 100 times the total amount, and that will give us the commission, right? That's what we know. But this total amount we don't know. But then the commission the person made was 10,350. Okay, so a sale girl received an amount of 10,350 cedis, representing 15% commission on the sale he made in the month. So what is the total amount he made before she received this amount of money as a commission? So we do a simple calculation here. 15n divided by 100 is equals to 10,350. And if you do cross multiplication and we make n the subject, we will have 15n is equals to 10,350 times 100. And if you choose to divide everything by 15, then our n can be calculated as 10,350 times, so we get times 100 divided by 15. So we can do simple calculations here. Okay, just doing cancellations, and then you'll be able to end up getting your final answer to be, we will have 69000. That is 69,000. That means the girl made a total sale of 69,000, and with 15% interest, she received a 10,350. Right, so I'm sure you've learned a lot with commission. On our next video, we'll look at how to deal with discount as well. Thanks for watching.